Hi, today I want to share my recent experience using Copilot to write a JavaScript. It's a real life problem that I use it and I just want to demonstrate it here. We all have heard about that AI can write program really well. So I've never done that before. Then I just recently experienced that and it's really interesting. I'm using Windows 11 and I've got the Copilot button here. So when I click on it, I've got a chat dialog box here. So in this case, I want to get it more precise. So I don't want to get creative stuff. Let's try this here. This is a real problem that I want to solve. It's not just a demo example. I want to have a button to launch a numpad and the user can enter a number, then the number will appear on the button and the numpad should close. That's my description. Let's click on it and try that. That was quick. So you can see that's the CSS stuff. So it's really nice because normally I can't write a program from scratch. I always need to get something like a framework. So it simply generated for me. Okay, now let's try the code here. Copy it here. And I got a pad here. Now save it. Go to my browser, refresh the page. So I've got a launch button here. Then you can see I've got a numpad. So press the button. Then you can see the tool here. I'm not quite happy with the numpad here. I just want to get it like the numpad on my keyboard. Now let me try something here. So the number keys on the pop-up should be arranged in a matrix of 3 times 4. Let's try this. Okay, I think it looks good. Just copy the code here and now go to my text editor, paste my new code here, save it. Okay, it looks nice and now I can press it. I think I'm lucky this time. Sometimes it doesn't return that what I want. What want is I want a cancel button here so I can leave the numpad without entering a number. Let's try again. Okay, add the cancel button in the pop-up. The good thing is with the Copilot, it does know the context. I don't have to repeat the same thing again and again. Okay, let's try this again. Copy the code here and refresh the page. Launch. Oh, now I got a cancel button here. Beautiful. It's even in red color. So let's try something. I want the launch button really large to cover the whole screen. So I want the button 1/4 of the screen width and half of the screen height. So let's try again. Copy and paste. Save. Okay, now you can see the button is really large. So it's still working fine here, but I'm not happy with the text here. The selected number fills entire launch button. So let's try whether that works. Okay, launch now is large. Not really filling the entire button. but it's larger than before. What I can do is I can go to the code here and find out where the text size is specified here and make it larger. Of course, if you know the CSS syntax really well, then you don't have to go through all this. But I'm not really a web programmer, so it's good that the AI can generate a framework for me so I can go to change the small thing here. Now let me change the launch button to light blue. So change the color to light blue. Of course, I can go to the code here and find out where the color is, but I'm not really good in the CSS stuff, so it's better to let the AI do that. Then if I see the light blue somewhere, then I will know I can change it anytime to any other color. Okay, now copy again. Okay, now you can see it's light blue and click on it. I can enter a number and it close. That's exactly what I want. So it's quite interesting. Then I can go to the code here and change things to what I want. I'm amazed that the AI not just generate the code, but also add a lot of comments here. This is actually a problem I wanted to solve. It's not an example just for this video. Actually, I was impressed that AI can do that much, especially the chat here with the context. I don't have to repeat everything again and again. So it's beautiful. Even you have no idea how to write a JavaScript, you still can generate something here. I hope you find this video useful. And if you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.